Before using the heater, make sure that it is on a flat and stable surface. After power is connected, the heater beeps once and the display lights up briefly. The red indicator stays on dimly. The unit is now in standby mode. Touch the power button to turn on the unit. The default operating mode is high heat, and the default temperature is 95 Fahrenheit. Touch the mode button to cycle through the 5 modes: high heat, low heat, echo, sleep, and cool fan. The corresponding icons will appear in sequence. Touch the timer button to enter timer setting mode. If no action is taken within 5 seconds, the unit exits timer setting automatically. Use plus or minus to adjust. Press and hold to adjust quickly. When the timer ends, the heater will turn off automatically. Press and hold the plus button and timer button simultaneously to activate the child lock. When child lock is on, all other buttons are disabled. Repeat the same action to deactivate it. Press plus or minus to enter temperature setting mode. The adjustable range is 41 to 95 Fahrenheit. Heating turns on when room temperature is 3 Fahrenheit or more below the set value, and turns off once it reaches the set temperature. If no operation is performed within 30 seconds, the display screen turns off, and the power indicator and mode icons dim to low brightness. When turned off, the heater enters residual heat cooling mode. Cool air blows for 30 seconds, with a countdown on the display. After 30 seconds, the fan stops and the unit enters standby. Press the power button during countdown to skip directly to standby. Caution: do not place your hands in front of the air outlet while the heater is running to avoid burns.